You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. The name is of Spanish origin, I believe, meaning follower of Christ, originally from Latin and Greek. Tiana, also short for Tatiana. Spanish pronunciation, Tiana. In English, however, it's generally pronounced as Tiana, Tiana. Some may pronounce it as Tiana. I don't think so. Do you pronounce it any other way than Tiana? Let us know in the comments and where you're from, your origin as well. Tiana. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.